Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will explain the concept of concentration, which is very important topic in solutions. What is concentration? We are familiar with concentrated solutions and dilute solutions, which are mostly used in the laboratory. Dilute sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, dilute nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid. But we should know that what is the concentration? Actually, concentration is the quantity of solute present in given amount of solvent or solution. If this quantity will be more, then solution will be concentrated. If this quantity will be less, then solution will be dilute. So it means that concentrated sulfuric acid mean which contain larger amount of sulfuric acid, and dilute sulfuric acid mean which contains smaller amount of sulfuric acid, more amount of water is present. So these are the common terms which are used in laboratory. So concept of concentration is the quantity of solute or amount of solute present in given amount of solvent or solution is called concentration of solution. And there are two types of the solution on the basis of concentration. Number one, dilute solution. Dilute solutions. What is the dilute solution? I have already explained. The solution which contain less amount of solute, or the solution whose concentration is low is called dilute solution. So the solution which contain smaller amount of solute is called dilute solution. The solution which contains smaller amount of solute is called dilute solution. And second is concentrated solution. Concentrated solution, we can define it, the solution whose concentration is high, or the solution which contain larger amount of solute is called concentrated solution. This is all about the concept of concentration and types of solutions on the basis of concentration. Dilute solution which contain relatively smaller amount of solute, concentrated solution which contain larger amount of solute. Now we can understand the concept of dilute solution and concentrated solution. But our main topic is concentration units of solution. There are many concentration units of solution like percentage, molarity, molality, mole fraction, ppm, ppb, ppt. These are the concentration units. But in our syllabus, in syllabus of grade 9, only two concentration units are included, percentage and molarity. So first of all, I will explain the concept of percentage. The first concentration unit of solution is percentage. It is also called percentage composition. What is percentage? You know that this is the common term which is used in chemistry, which is used in mathematics, which is used in physics. Percentage means out of 100 parts. So in case of solution, 100 parts mean how many parts of solute are present in 100 parts of solution. So we can define the concept of percentage. The number of parts of solute dissolved per 100 parts of solution is called percentage, and there are 4 ways. There are 4 ways to express percentage. These 4 ways are: number 1, percentage mass by mass. The first way to express the percentage mass by mass. The very important concept, this mass is used for solute, this mass is used for solution. Percentage mean out of 100 parts. So we can define it, the mass of solute. The mass of solute dissolved per 100 parts by mass of solution is called percentage mass by mass. The mass of solute dissolved per 100 parts by mass of solution is called percentage mass by mass. For example, 10% mass by mass sodium chloride solution, 10% mass by mass sodium chloride solution can be prepared by dissolving 10 gram of sodium chloride in 90 grams of water. It can be prepared by dissolving 10 gram of NaCl in 90 gram of water to make 100 gram of solution, or this is the concept of percentage mass by mass. The second type of solution is, second type way of the percentage mass by volume. Now we can define it, the mass of solute. The mass of solute dissolved per 100 parts. 100 parts by volume of solution is called percentage mass by volume. The mass of solute dissolved per 100 parts, concept is same. This mass is for solute, volume for solution. For example, 10% mass by volume NaCl solution mean 10 gram of NaCl dissolve in sufficient amount of water to make the volume of 100 cm cube. So 10 gram of sodium chloride dissolved in water to make the solution of 100 cm cube. This solution will be percentage mass by volume solution of NaCl. The third type of solution is, third type of way is number 3, percentage volume by mass. Volume by mass mean the volume of solute dissolved per 100 parts by mass of solution. The volume of solute dissolved per 100 parts by mass of solution is called percentage volume by mass. For example, 10 cm cube of ethanol dissolved in 90 gram of water to make the solution of 100 gram. This is percentage volume by mass. Volume by mass, the total mass of solution should be 100 gram and we will dissolve 10 cm cube of ethanol because we want to prepare 10% volume by mass solution of ethanol. The last way to express the percentage, number 4, this is percentage volume by volume. In case of volume by volume, both solute and we will take the volume of both solute and solution. Percentage mean out of 100. So I can define the volume of solute because numerator is solute. The volume of solute dissolved per 100 parts by volume of solution is called percentage volume by volume. Example is very simple. 10% volume by volume solution of ethanol. How we can prepare? We will dissolve 10 cm cube of ethanol in 100 cm cube of, in 90 cm cube of water to make the total volume of solution 100 cm cube. So we can prepare solution percentage mass by mass, mass by volume, volume by mass and volume by volume. So there are 4 ways to express the percentage composition of solution: percentage mass by mass, percentage mass by volume, percentage volume by mass and percentage volume by volume. The second point is, if we want to calculate percentage mass by mass in numericals, what formula can be used? Percentage mass by mass is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiply with 100. So for this purpose we can use for first mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiply with 100 in order to calculate the percentage mass by mass. If we want to calculate the percentage mass by volume, we will use the formula mass of solute divided by volume of solution multiply with 100. So we can perform the calculations by using these formula. Percentage mass by mass is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100, mass of solute divided by volume of solution into 100, and in order to calculate the volume by mass, volume of solute divided by mass of solution, volume of solute divided by volume of solution multiply with 100. So this is all about percentage and ways to express the percentage composition.